Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gideon here. So today I got a package. I ordered this package like a month ago. It has just arrived. So it's a chest mount. So I wanted to unbox it when I want to take you guys along to see what's inside. I have not seen anything inside. So I want to unbox it. So you can see it. I don't know what's inside. So this is this one. It is chest mounted, where you wear it and then you fix your camera, your phone, and anything that you feel like fixing there for recording your videos. So I don't know what this is. I think it's for holding the phone. This is the mount. Yeah, the mount. That's good. And hey, what those things are falling down. So these ones I don't know. I think this one goes. This one goes here. Yeah. This one. I'll fix this one here, and then you screw it here. Screw it like this, just like this. Yes, like this, and that's all. And then you screw this one here. And then the last thing is to fix this one here. Fix it here, I think, like this. How do you do it? Like this. Okay. I think you do it like, yeah. Fix it like this. Wow. And then you wear.
You do phone, my bro.
How they wear it? You do my leg. And then you wear it. Wear it. So me, I'm going to use my phone because I don't have a camera yet, but I'm going to use my phone. So I'm going to stick your camera like this. Okay. Your phone like this, and then you protect it. No. Okay. Yeah. Fix your camera like this. And then you protect your phone like this. Protect your phone. It prevents it from falling down. So that's it. So by the way, I do travel by bike. I travel by bike, so most of the time it's hard for me to hold a phone while I'm riding. So I decided to buy this so that it will make my work easy. So guys, thank you for watching, and this is all that I wanted to show you. Make sure you subscribe, comment and like my videos. Thank you.